Welcome to Simone Medical. Thank you so much for trusting me with your care. I've already ordered your lab work as well as your saliva cortisol test. You'll probably receive an email with tracking information for that test once it ships. As far as your labs go, you need to go to labcorp.com to schedule your lab draw appointment. Labs need to be drawn early in the morning and fasting. At least 12 hours before, have nothing else to eat or drink except for water. Please be well hydrated the morning that you go have your labs drawn. If you're a woman and still having a period, you do need to schedule your labs on days 19 through 21 of your cycle. Day 1 is the first day of your last period. If you have any questions, let me know. Again, these labs are fasting. They do need to be drawn first thing in the morning. The only thing you need to take with you to LabCorp is your ID. Next, I'll receive your lab work in about 1 or 2 days. From there, I'll contact you letting you know that your labs have resulted and that you can go ahead and schedule your review of findings visit. Go to the portal and go to the tab that says My Appointments. From there, you can choose Review of Findings, female or male, depending on who you are, and schedule at a time that's convenient for you. Please give me at least a week or week and a half to review your lab works for when you schedule your review of findings visit. At your visit, we'll talk about all of your labs and I'll deliver the plan that I've developed just for you. If you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to reach out to me via the portal. You can also contact me via email, info@simonemedical.com. Thanks. Can't wait to work with you.